This customer had a failing water line running to their house that needed to be replaced. We start by hand digging from the meter to the retention wall. The water inlet at the house is also then hand dug all the way to the fence. The new water line is then run under the fence to the water inlet. The old copper water line is then cut from the bottom and the top. The copper is then prepped with sandpaper and flux is applied. Then the new fitting is sweated on. The new water line is then crimped onto the new fitting. The county has to come out to mark underground lines before we can use the trencher. With the lines marked, the trencher is then used to dig for the new line. Because of how tall the retaining wall is, a boring bit is used to drill a hole underneath the retaining wall. However, the wall was still too tall, so it had to be hand dug part of the way. The new water line is then pulled under the wall. The old water line is cut at the meter and the old fitting is removed. The new water line has its fitting crimped on and the fitting is then attached. The system is then pressure tested. With no leaks, the system can be backfilled, and this job is complete. If you have a plumbing issue like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to call us at 678-403-1071.